My most favorite human hair wig company, and y'all know that is a Unice. If you look in the description box, I put a direct link to this as well as all the details about this unit. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair and makeup. Unice gives me such affordable units with good quality that I order from them often, and they are my most favorite. All I've done was take this out of the shipping packaging so I could do everything on camera with you. Okay, so the wig of course comes in this iconic pink box, and then when we open up the box we have the wig of course, and they also included some HD wig caps and an edge band. The wig that I got, okay, so the wig is 14 inches long and it is yaki textured. Let me take it out the pack so you can see it up close. Oh, they also included more Bye-Bye Knots wigs tabs as well. That Unice has the best yaki textured units to me, y'all. Like, I wish, like I always say, I wish y'all could feel how soft this is. As far as the cap construction goes, y'all know I got the dream cap construction for somebody like me. You know I did, okay? So you get that 7x5 parting space, which means I can part this to the left, right, middle, whatever. And I'm not overwhelmed like I might be with a 13x4 or 13x6. So I love that parting space. And then in the back, we also have a comb. And this is their upgraded styling of their cap. So we have a thinner adjustable strap, glueless band, I'm sorry. And I love the thinner ones. And my most favorite part of these wigs, we have a drawstring. This drawstring allows the wig to feel so secure to my head. Like it molds it to my head to where it's not too tight, not too loose. I love it. Also with this upgraded cap construction, the wigs are very, 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 very stretchy. And they put this like, it's not sticky to touch, but this band of adhesion going around the back of the wig and here at the top to make sure that it lays flat. So this is the dream cap construction. I absolutely love it. This will not take me long at all. All I'm gonna do is put this on my head, run my flat iron through it to get those bumps out, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
In the city, maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up on the way you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Make you hard, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. from you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slow, babe. I know it's gonna make it, babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I in the city? Maybe you should try to get calm. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Make you hard, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide city.
Y'all, this is why I love Unice so much. This wig looks so natural to me with this claw cut, this texture, the beginner friendliness of it. Like this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me, if you cannot tell. First I thought I had just got another bob, but then once I started playing around with it and I saw these claw cut layers that Unice put inside of this wig, I just fell in love. Whether you have them all coming down like I had originally, or if you push them back like this wig is just dope, y'all. This is such a gorgeous, natural looking unit. The texture makes this a win. The price point definitely makes this a win. This is a 10 out of 10. I almost did my form of styling. Y'all know, pull half up, half down. But once I saw how beautiful these claw cuts was, I said, no, let me just leave this down because this is gorgeous. I definitely can recommend this one 1,000%. If you look down in the description box, I'll put a direct link to this unit as well as all the details because this is one that I know you will love. I actually ordered this in a longer version, so now I'm super excited to see how the longer version looks as well because this one is a win, y'all. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are because I am in love. God, it's so pretty. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.